Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money every hour using Google Translate. It is a fast and easy method to earn passive income. Also, all the websites are available worldwide. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end to earn more revenue. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Right now, this is the Google Translate tool. There will be no monetary compensation for this tool. Each of the 3 websites will make use of this tool. I'm about to demonstrate something to you. In terms of mystery, these 3 websites are ranked from lowest to highest. As a result, make sure you stick with it until the conclusion. The good thing about this tool is that you can push this right here and it will type out whatever you say. The term for this is trans. As you can see, you can transcribe from English to Spanish as well as from Spanish to English and hundreds of other languages. This tool is quite useful. It just transcribes everything I said, and there are businesses that will pay you to transcribe anything you hear. Okay, you are no longer required to take any action. You're letting Google Translate do all the work for you, and it's completely free. So you won't have to do any labor to get money. All you have to do is let Google Translate. Do whatever you can. This will be our first stop on the internet. Isn't it currently the highest paying website? This is the cheapest website, but it'll get you started. To get started, simply go to GoTranscript.com. They'll pay you 60 cents for every minute of speech or video you provide. The average monthly profits of this website is $150, but the top monthly earnings, which are more of what you're going for, is $250. You'll be able to get the most out of your time and complete as many transcription assignments as possible because you're using this tool. As a result, with this strategy, the top month's earning will be more achievable. There are higher paying websites than the one I'm about to show you, but this is the one you should start with, especially if you need an extra $1,000 each month. This is a great place to start as a side hustle or something that can blossom into a larger issue. All you have to do now is fill out an application for this opportunity. It's as simple as that. And you may begin utilizing GoTranscript.com right away. They provide home transcription jobs, allowing you to work from the comfort of your own home and make money. Weekly payments will be made for you. That's actually rather advantageous because you're paid weekly in a traditional 9-to-5 job. You'll get paycheck every 2 weeks, but it'll be deposited into your PayPal account the following week. As a result, you won't have to worry about your money not arriving on time. It will be sent to you right away, and you can work as little or as much as you choose. So go ahead and do it if you have some free time during the day. You can also do this if you have a full day and want to make money the entire time. Using the method I taught, choose your project, get fantastic guidance, enhance your skills, stay busy, and simply enjoy these transcription tasks. As a result, this is a fantastic place to start. The following webpage is even more impressive. This website's domain name is gmrtranscription.com. This site now pays better and the founder is right here, as you can see. You can look at his LinkedIn profile. As he indicated, our primary goal is to give the highest degree of customer satisfaction through accurate transcription and translation services. Many firms, including huge corporations, seek transcription work here. So you may translate anything or just get the words from the video. Now navigate to Careers and click on it to proceed to the next page. As you can see, this firm works with tens of thousands of businesses like McDonald's, TNT, Levi's, Dell, and Amazon. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. When you click Careers, you'll be directed to this page which says Transcribe Better, Earn. According to this page, our transcription typically earn between $1,000 and $3,000 a month. You're now generating $3,000 per month from this site, with the potential for thousands more from the other side. That's a total of $4,000. The final website I'll show you pays out a lot more cash. That's a substantial sum of money. So this is incredible. By clicking here, you can apply general transcription or Spanish transcription. I'm sure Spanish transcription pays better, but you don't have to know the language. You can use Google Translate to transcribe in Spanish as well. As a result, that's really incredible. We can now see that there are no fees or experience requirements for continued growth if we scroll down. Working from home gives you greater flexibility. You may even see a video of a woman who has made hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per month doing this. And it's something that many different websites promotes, and as you can see, that many people are getting money and enjoying their transcription work. You can apply right now and it will be an excellent method to get started. The final site is Revcom, which is the best and most trustworthy online transcription service. This is where I personally spent thousands of dollars on transcriptionists. So you might have gotten something for which I would have given you money, right? To transcribe YouTube videos, promotional videos, and commercial videos that I'm producing, according to CBS, they were the most expensive because of their short response times and the fact that they have larger clientele coming in. A lot of big organizations come here to get transcription services, according to PBS. On the website, you can apply to work as a transcriptionist. Domestic sub now costs $1.25 per minute, where overseas sub costing significantly more. A minute might cost anywhere from $3 to $7. So you can see how quickly that may add up. Scroll all the way down to Careers to see the freelance jobs, which will allow us to see freelancing jobs from home with Rev earn money transcribing or captioning from home. As a result, you can do it from any location, including your home. Google Translate, a computer, or even your phone are all you'll need. As a result, create a work schedule that is flexible. You can pick from hundreds of jobs every day, work as much as you like, and be paid monthly. Revcom rewards all completed work via PayPal on a weekly basis. And that's wonderful. As shown below, transcriptionists earn between 30 cents and $1 per hour. Captioners are compensated at a rate of 54 cents to $1 per minute. Scroll to the bottom of the page to see new foreign language subtitles. You can pay anything from $1 to $3 per minute. This is what you want to do because you don't need to know any other languages. They've been featured in Pennies, Hoarding, Forbes, and Business Insider. And you can make a lot of money if Google Translate performs the work for you. As you can see, this is a reasonably reputable site to begin with if you want to make some extra money. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.